A successful experiment in generating electricity from dead bacteria. Lausanne, scientists have successfully experimented with generating electricity from dead E. coli bacteria. This breakthrough could revolutionize waste management and energy production. Bioelectronics experts from the Federal Institute of Technology in Lausanne, Switzerland have generated electricity by converting bacteria. The team of scientists used a process called extracellular electron transfer (EE) to modify the bacteria to make them highly efficient electrical microbes. Increases. According to research published in the journal Joule, the researchers were able to create a complete pathway of EET in E. coli, which had never been done before. Professor Ardemis Bukhassan from the institute said that the researchers generated electricity by changing E. coli bacteria. Although these unusual microbes that generate electricity naturally can only do so in the presence of specific chemistry, he said that E. coli can grow in many places, which means that electricity can be generated in different environments, including wastewater. In contrast to previous methods, biologically modified E. coli can generate electricity using a variety of organic substrates.